Hello student, in this lecture we are going to study a new lesson, that is a meaningful paragraph. Okay, in these lessons there are three sentences which we have to put in a proper sequence with making a correct choice of options. To make a meaningful paragraph, we have to remember some points. First, we have to read all the three sentences firstly, and then all the options of that sentences, and we have to identify the central idea or theme of all three sentences, and we have to put a proper sequence in them and cut out the wrong options from the given answers. After that, we have to choose a correct option and make the paragraph of three sentences meaningful. So we are going to make it with the help of examples. Here is the first example. In the first sentence is students were making noise in the dash. We have to fill up the blank place with a proper options. The options are given as first laboratory, second class, third temple, and fourth home. So all four options fitted in the blank place. But for a proper options, we have to first read and understand the remaining two sentences. The second sentence is so the dash come to the student. So here we have four options, that teacher, pujari, mother, and guard. Okay, these all options are fitted in the blank place. So to determine the correct options, we have to look at the third sentence, that don't disturb me, now I am performing dash in the temple. So of the first sentence, option temple is the correct option because it is given in the third sentence, that don't disturb me, now I am performing dash in the temple. So in the temple is the option of the first sentence. Here we get the option C for the first sentence. And in temple we perform puja. So in the third sentence we get the option D, that is puja, and the puja is performing by pujari. So we get the answer B, that is pujari, of the second sentence. So here we make a meaningful paragraph of these three sentences, that is a student were making a noise in the temple, so the pujari came to the student and he said to the student that don't disturb me, now I am performing puja in the temple. Okay, so we further look at the second example. In the second example, the first sentence is King Dash was a great ruler. So the all the options of these sentences are fitted in the blank place. So Shivaji Maharaj also great ruler, Vikramaditya also, Samrat Ashoka also, and Maharana Pratap also. Okay, to to make a correct choice, we have to look at the second sentence, that he spread dash all over the world. Options are trade, education, army, Buddhism. So we can fit it that the Ashoka is the follower of Buddhism. So we can make a choice that Samrat Ashoka is the correct option of the first sentence, and Buddhism is the correct option of the second sentence. So he fought a great war of Kalinga. So all three sentences make a meaningful paragraph of Samrat Ashok. Okay. Further, we moving to the example third, that is dash is a national animal. So here we have a tiger as a national animal, and the tiger is not dirty, ugly or cruel, but he is a so brave animal. So here we have options like tiger, brave, and third we have to go jungle to see him, because tiger is not a domestic animal, he is a wild animal. So he lives in a jungle, so we have to go to see tiger in a jungle. So here we make a meaningful paragraph, that is tiger is a national animal, he is very brave and beautiful, and we have to go to jungle to see him. So in a such type of, first we have to take some precautions, that we have to read all the three sentences first, and we have to make a proper arrangement of the options and cut out the odd options which are not fitted in the sentence, and then make a correct choice of the relevant options in the sentences. Furtherly, in the option example 4, the first sentence is dash is a festival. All the four options is a festival, that is Diwali, Dasara, Makar Sankranti and Independence. Okay. And second sentence is we celebrate with dash and making ladus, chaklis at home. So we make laddus and chakli at home in the festival of Dasara and Diwali. So the two options, that Makar Sankranti and Independence, are cut off. Then remaining two options, that is Diwali and Dasara. So we celebrate Diwali and Dashera with firecrackers. Okay, so firecracker is the correct options of the second sentence. Then we move to the third sentence, that is it comes in the month of October. So Makar Sankranti is in January, but it was not fitted for the second option. So Diwali is the correct options, which is come in the month of October. Okay, such we make a meaningful paragraph, that is Diwali is a festival, we celebrate with firecrackers and make laddus, and it comes in the month of October. Okay, in this way we make a meaningful sentences with the correct choice. Here we have to take a precautions of, first we have to read all three sentences and all the options of these three sentences, and then cut off the irrelative options, and then make a correct choice of the option which is fitted in the blank place, and make this paragraph of three sentences meaningful. So this is the way we have to make the correct answers of this new type of questions that make a meaningful paragraph. Okay, thank you.